So one of the key secrets in training is progressive overload. What's progressive overload? Progressive overload is where we continue to improve the stress on our muscles, be it by more reps, or more weight, or slower tempo. But we are actually increasing that stress, that trauma or muscle tissue to continue it to grow. Now, one way is a brilliant old school way of doing things. I'm old school, but this is a brilliant way of doing it, is to track your workouts. How do you track your workouts? The LSC gym logbook. What a great concept. Why has no one thought of this before? Within here, you've got your dates of training. You've got what you're training. You've got the exercises you're training, how many reps you're doing and what weight you're doing per set. This is absolutely a brilliant. We can go into cardios, the tempo, rest intervals. This is great if you've got a personal instructor and they can write their programs down for you so you know what you're doing week on week. Fantastic little tool to have in the gym bag. You know what? Sometimes if it isn't broken, don't try and reinvent the wheel. This is worth its weight in gold in terms of tracking your progression. So we now have this available in the shop and also online. The LSC Gym Logbook. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of progressive overload. You're going to hate it, but love it. Take care. Cheers, guys. Bye.